Daytona Beach. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa St. Augustine, Florida. Time check, alas 8. So, magbabike kami around Historic District. So, ito, St. Augustine Beach na yan. Let's go! Pakita namin sa inyo yung lugar. Nice place. Old Florida feeling. Welcome to Anastasia State Park. May entrance fee, $8 per vehicle, 8 people, or $2 per person for bicycles and walk-ins. So yan. So nasa bicyclist kami. Okay, let's go. Returning campers with gate code only. Welcome. Park admission fees for pedestrian. Please stop at Ranger Station. Oh, morning. Yan. Anastasia State Park, Florida Department of Environmental Protection. Nice. Let's go. Pasok na kami sa loob. So there's beach warning flags. No lifeguard duty. So it says tides April 12, high 5 p.m., low 10 a.m. Hi ma'am. Morning. This is for me and for my wife. Right there. Do you know what flag warning is it today?
Yeah, so we got purple flag because of we've been seeing Portuguese man o' war on our beach. They're like kind of blue jellyfish.
Oh, okay. Oh, jellyfish.
Yeah, they're pretty bad.
Okay.
If you get stung by them. And then red because it's just high chance of rip currents.
Okay. So it's like technically not swimmable.
Yeah, I wouldn't suggest that.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
But you are allowed to have those on the beach. Just we
This.
ask that you don't. Yeah.
Okay.
Just don't flush the birds out there. Like scare the birds away.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a good one. All right, let's go sa sides. Allowed daw yung e-bikes or bikes sa beaches. Nice. So, tinanong ko lang, hindi naman tayo magsuswimming. Pero yun nga, purple warning tsaka red warning. Purple may jellyfish na dangerous. Tapos red kasi rip currents. So yan. Let's go. Anastasia State Park. Kasi ito merong shower. May shower. So pwede talaga mag-beach, pwede maligo talaga dito. Ayan o, shower yan. Dalawa. So yan, pupunta na tayo ng beach area. So yan, punta na tayo ng beach. Let's go. Ako mauna. Mauna ka. Ayan na. Mga wildlife, birds. Whoop. Ingat, ingat. Ingat, ingat. So yan, boardwalk. This is still allowed, ma'am, right? The bikes?
On this pathway, not so much. We've got a separate bike entrance. You see that little gate that's right next to the bigger gate? That little opening that's there
Yeah.
with the red circles on it? That would be for our bikes. And
Oh
then
my
you guys
God.
are allowed to come on here. We just recommend that you go through there during busier times
okay.
because a lot of people will be
Walking here, yeah, I
on
understand.
this path, and bikes and
So this
people
one.
will
I got you.
sometimes, yeah. But as soon as you get past that gate, if there's no one walking on here,
Yeah, doesn't
use
matter.
this mobility
All right,
pad.
ma'am. Thank you for that.
Absolutely. No, you're not. No, you're
Have a good
fine.
one.
Thanks for reading my brain of being like, well, that's not quite right, but okay. It's not that busy out.
Thank you, thank you. We got you, we got you. Thank you. Faithful to me. So yun. Maganda talaga nagtatanong. Hindi niya kaya. Nagsaslide. Yeah. Crash, crash.
Electric burp. Yung ano lang ginagamit ko. Automatic, ano tawag doon?
First crash ni Hey Bike.
Yung burp, yung sand na yun, pwede.
Yeah. So punta tayo dyan.
So ilalakad natin talaga. Kasi di ba mahaba yan?
Tsaka pag nag-turn, honey, nung nag-turn ako, syempre, nag-slide.
Honey, ano pala hindi ko naintindihan sinabi niya? Saan dapat?
Doon sa gate. Di ba may malaking gate?
Oo.
Sa gilid nun may space.
Doon dapat pumasok. Saan ang labas nun?
Dito rin. Doon din. Pero pang tao kasi yung ano,
Tao yung
pang wheelchair.
Okay, get.
So guys, nasemplang tayo. Kasi nung pagliko ko, nakontra niya yung forward speed. So, nag-crash tayo.
Saan?
Buti na lang di tayo na-injure. Walang galos. Ay, meron, konti. Konting gas-gas. Mamaya yun, hahapdian. Buti na lang, yun lang.
Honey, may sugat na.
Yeah.
Yeah, ang laki oh.
Yun lang guys. Medyo namamanhid pa ngayon yan. Mamaya yan. But it's okay, no problem. Tumayo ako agad. Buti no injuries. Soft yung sand. Pero dyan,
Dun sa pack.
medyo solid yan. Packed sand. So magbabike tayo dyan. Yan, dito tayo sa Anastasia State Park Beach area. Look at those waves. Rip current yan. Tatangayan ka talaga yan papunta sa dagat. Mahirap lumangoy. Lawak. Ito yung jellyfish. Yan yung jellyfish siguro na sinasabi nung park ranger kanina. So nakakaabot dito yung tubig. Kaya siya pack sand. Kasi basa pa siya, nag-low tide lang yan. So yan, may jellyfish na nakarating. Naanod sa shore. Siya. Baka buhay pa yan. Ito, meron din silang pier. Tawag dyan St. John's County Pier. Tapos ito may mga hotels na dyan. Accommodation. Ganyan pa rin yung alon. Rip current. May mga nagfi-fishing. Thank you daw. Thank you din. Thank you, Anastasia State Park. Diretso na lang natin to para side street. Main road yun eh. So ito nga pala ang Historic District St. Augustine. Dito walang mga gated community. Ganyan talaga yung mga bahay dito, mga luma. Yung iba na pa-renovate na. So ngayon pupunta kami ng anong cafe yan? Raga? Oh, may tatayong bahay oh. Oh, may kotse honey. Sent from heaven. So yan, tumatabay yung mga kotse pag mag-overtake sila. Nice. Dito na tayo. Ganda ng kotse oh. Pati ng bahay. Punta kami ng Raga Cafe. Time check 10:21 AM. Gaganda ng mga bahay na maliit oh. Daling linisin yan. 4 na sulok lang oh. Oh, dito na. Nice. So dito pala walang mga chain restaurants. Puro mga ganito. Look at that line. Ang haba ng pila oh. Raga Cafe. 7 to 2 PM. Yan yung kanilang dine-in area. So yan, may duck din. Tapos meron silang live band. Raga Cafe. Sandwich, coffee, craft drinks. And this lang chef special. So ito, nandito kami sa Raga Surf Cafe dito sa St. Augustine, Florida. Order kami ng chicken adobo taco. Sarap siya, may chicken adobo bits. Tapos may cilantro, coleslaw. Sarap yung dressing. Dalawa siya. So order din kami ng jasmine tea sa akin. Tsaka ng coffee ni Jam. Ayan, nasa tapat siya ng body of water. Ayan.
Wagner ordered this church to be built in her honor.
To Flagler College.
Shower. I like yung bathroom mirror nila. Na-adjust pa yan. Oh yeah. Nice. Two queen beds pala yung nabook natin. Jamila Ann. Talaga ba? May second name pa. Tapos ang view ay pool. Ganda.
So lumabas kami ng hotel. Time check. What time is it? Time check 4:16 PM. Tirik ang araw. So ito ay San Marco Avenue, corner Locos Street. Dito kami sa Hotbox Local Hawaii Food, St. Augustine, Florida. Hotbox Local Hawaiian Food. So sa hotel, from hotel 3 minutes bike. 3 minutes bike to sa hotel. Easy lang kasi chill lang yung mga drivers ng kotse. Tapos may sidewalk din. So doon kami nagbabike. Yan, St. Augustine. Take out lang kami. Kakainin nata namin to sa hotel. Hindi ko pa alam kay Jamie. So ito yung outdoor seating. Wala silang indoor. So al fresco dining lang talaga to. Ito pala yung menu nila. Poke, hotbox with rice and mac. Meron silang hamachi, shoyu, kalua pork, then extras. Yan. May presyo rin. Nice. Food truck lang siya kumbaga. So magandang libangan talaga tong pagkakaroon ng e-bike. Makakapunta ka sa mga lugar na limited ang parking, sa mga lugar na alanganin. Like ito, maliit na kalsada, mas limited ang parking. So or hindi mo alam kung may parking available, mag e-bike ka na lang. Ayun lang oh, nilagay lang namin dyan. Walang gas, charge lang, electricity. So ito, dinala namin ngayon yung charger para just in case kailanganin namin mag-charge. Charge kami sa hotel. Tapos mamaya after kumain, may mga pupuntahan pa kami na place. I-video ko rin yan. Yung mga attractions dito sa St. Augustine, Florida. So papunta tayo ngayon sa Ponce de Leon, Fountain of Youth. Oh, it says it's closed. Opens at 9 AM. Sarado. Ponce de Leon, Fountain of Youth. 6 past 6 na kasi. 6:52 na pala. Gabi na pala guys. 6:52 PM. Ganda ng mga puno oh. First Spanish muster site in Florida.
What's a muster?
I don't know, honey. Ito ang Fountain of Youth. Kaso sarado na. Hanggang alas 5 lang ng gabi. Ng hapon. Mag-aalas 7 na. Late tayo. Whoa, that's a peacock. That's a peacock. Look.
Magkakape ata siya. I think he's going for coffee. It's so nice.
So on to the next attraction. Old Senator Tree. Ito ata yung magandang street, guys. Magnolia Avenue. Yung mga tree kasi is dito rin. Ganda ng mga puno. This is the Old Senator Tree. Magnificent live oak. 600 years old. 600 years old. Wow, nice. Ayan o, mga lumang bahay oh. Ayan. May American flag pa. Loud and proud. So, oldest city. Oldest continuous living city ang St. Augustine, Florida, sa US. Oldest sa US. St. Augustine. Clean water. Picture dito. Beautiful. Diyan tayo nag-cross kanina yung bridge. Lions Bridge. Dito tayo nag-park kanina. Yan. Jamila. So ito yung Castillo de San Marcos. Yan siya. That's how it is built. So yun yan. Parang protection. Ito yung Lions Bridge. Nice. Mga shops. Time check 8 PM. Gabi na.
Ay, first time naming mag-bike at night. It's scary. kasi oldest city to in America. So baka madami. You know? G-H-O-S-T. I heard something doon. Oh my God. Natatakot ako. Dilim eh. We're walking to Villano Beach. Alright. Wow. Oh, nice. Okay, let's go. We're at the beach. Soft nga yung sand dito.
We're here at North Beach, St. Augustine, Florida. North side, St. Augustine Beach. Wavy. Red warning. Oo nga, no? Dito tayo sa Conch House. Bukas na, di ba? Please see hostess. The Conch House Marina Resort. Ito yung outdoor seating nila. And may shade naman, so we chose outside seating. Restrooms. Oh, may limit. 2 hours. This is nice. Kubo.
Yeah, parang ano yung sa Tagaytay? Seafood din.
So ito pala yung mga in-order namin dito sa Conch House Marina Restaurant. Seasoned rice, medyo spicy daw yan. Lobster spring roll. And lobster meat na may cheese. Tapos, ano to? Shrimp.
Shrimp and sausage, perlu.
Shrimp.
Parang
Gumbo.
gumbo.
Ayan, gumbo. Tapos calamari. Ayan, squid calamari. Drinks namin, piña colada and lemonade. Masarap ang food. Dito kami sa Tiki Hut. Seating nila. And ano ba yan? Mangroves? I don't know. Ayan. Bata pa nga, juvenile American alligator. Eh, nilalanggam siya, bro. Nilalanggam eh. Oh, good. And the hood. Restroom, men and women. Marina Resort. Yung mga nangingisda. fishing charters. Yan. Mga cleaning station. Pag maglilinis ng isda, magfi-fillet, magdi-descale. Yan.